Hello all, welcome to another video. In this video, you will be learning how to do some basic operations in Microsoft Excel. So in this, we have taken some values in order to do the operations. For example, we have a group of random numbers selected over here. In order to make these numbers in a specific pattern or in terms of an ascending order or in terms of a descending order, we have a feature in Microsoft Excel that will facilitate us to do so. So that is the sort and filter option. So what we have to do, we have to select the cells that we need to sort or filter. Then we have to click on the sort or filter item, sort smallest to largest. If we click on that option, the selected cells will rearrange itself in such a manner that the smallest number will come on the top of the list. Similarly, the remaining cells will come in an ascending order. So this is a group of values or cells which is already placed in an ascending order. In order to make this in descending order, what we have to do, we have to do the same process. Select the cells, or you can, if you have multiple numbers, you can select the whole cell like this. So in our case, since we are having only 10 cells, I'm selecting those 10 cells. Sort and filter option, sort from largest to smallest. So what happened here, so I will show you what has happened over here. I'm undoing the process here. For our previous video, we have calculated the sum of the cells over here. This is a sum of the cells. So it has come as here we had a formula over here for this cell. That is why that error has come while we were doing that operation. Yes, so another thing, okay, we'll do one more operation, sort and filter. In this we can filter. So in this filter option we are having, so the number of repeated numbers, suppose we want to see how many times one number got repeated, all these things we can filter over here. So what we have done previously is that we have sorted those numbers in terms of ascending or descending order to make in a specific pattern. Now suppose we'll add few more numbers. So we'll add some recurring numbers, 54, 54, 54, then 41, 64, 32, 65. So we'll see, just go through this. We have 32, the value 32 in 1, 2, 3 and 4 cells. So in order to filter those numbers, instead of counting it one by one, we can use a filter option. So in that, we have to unselect all the cells. We have to select which cell we want to see or we want to count. Click on that number or value. Click OK. We will be having that specific cells with that specific cell address or the names of that cells. So we have the C4, C5, C6 and C16.